CLP leader Meghachnadra has blamed state's financial woes on delayed fund releases, saying over 600 crore rupees in the 15th Finance Commission grants were wasted or unutilized. He further claimed that this has worsened the public hardship and stalled key projects. Addressing a press meet held at his Babupara quarter, Meghachnadra alleged that delayed fund release for developmental works has aggravated public woes and impeded development in the state. He noted that the pending in releasing the fund has seriously impacted job card holders, old age pensioners, widow pensioners, government employees, pensioners and beneficiaries of various government schemes. The CLP leader highlighted the state government's failure to claim over 600 crore rupees from the 15th Finance Commission, calling it a massive loss for the state. He questioned the delay in releasing these funds, seeking accountability. Meghachnadra also criticized the lack of cabinet expansion, arguing that governing with only 4 or 5 ministers violates democratic conventions and hinders effective administration.
Sarkar ama laiba haibasi minister taraga mathoi amaga adagi purna 33 sina laiba ngakadabani mi ahum marina sarkar sa laibadi maram chade masi democratically su yade then adagi laiba department myam jingji masi phajana collective work ama sarkar sina parjada deliver taunanaba parjagi thabak taunanaba laiba scheme ngasimak financial year da thadokpongam driba department myam jingji fan thadokpongam druje ministry mantri sing leitabai su oiba factor amane aduna maram orkanda parja singi development ki tamak chakwa thorang adagi lairiba fund budget pass tawbiba myam singsi parja da yohonnaba parja gi development taunanaba haibasi collective responsibility ama even if we are from opposition ko khoi opposition da leiraga su sarkar sina masi collective work ama tawgadabani ba madu parjada development myam singsi taunanabasi responsibility se makhoi 33 logodabani paramasina masi athuba matamda tawba haibasi democracy ki value then akhoi gi lairiba constitution ki value myam singsi leigine ba aduna masi leitaba haibasi masi democratic oiba wali then asi moi mari amani mari mangana heta adum loina chalai basi aran boy ke ni khale